Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Apple Pay on your iPad in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your compatibility. Make sure that your iPad is running on iPadOS 18 or later, and also check if Apple Pay is available on your iPad Pro Air, which is going to be 3rd gen or later, or iPad 6th gen or later, or if you have an iPad mini 5th gen or later. Once that is done, you want to simply go ahead and open the settings application on your phone and scroll all the way down to wallet and pay. Inside of wallet and pay, you can simply go ahead and click on add card, and this is where you can either simply go ahead and scan your card or click on enter card details manually and then enter your card details. Once you've done that, it is going to go ahead and ask you to verify your card via a text message or email. Once you've done that, you can simply use tap and pay. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.